Now come to the next topic, accuracy, efficiency, and the warehouse strategy. Elements of the warehouse strategy, warehouse picking strategy. How the warehouse picking strategy can be covered. Different picking styles for the different objectives are given here. Wave picking, batch picking, cluster picking, zone picking. Zone picking is given here. Sequential zone pick, simultaneous zone pick, and warehouse picking strategy objective. What are the different objectives of the warehouse picking objectives are there? Reducing the labor cost. Reduction of the labor cost is the one of the major strategy of the developed country. Japan is doing on this base, reducing the labor cost. How the labor cost will be reduced in the warehouses. This is the major objective. And we'll discuss about the accuracy, efficiency, and the warehouse picking strategy. Accuracy matters in the warehouse operation to have a unified standard on how inventory is handled and stored. In addition to just having an accurate inventory picking procedure, functionally within the warehouse technology can also lead to the improvement in other areas such as a reduced labor cost. Reduction of the labor cost is the major objective of the developed country warehouses. In the Singapore, the warehouses, in the European warehouses, reduce the labor cost. How the labor cost can be reduced? This is the major objective. Improve the customer service level. How the customer service level will be improved? This is the major objective. And maximum utilization of the warehouses spaces. How the warehouses spaces are maximum utilized. This is the main objective of any of the warehouses. How the different spaces, different zones of the warehouses, different places of the warehouses will be maximum utilized. This is the major sources of them. With advanced technology, such as efficiency gains through the warehouse management system, can allow company to achieve the proper flow of the inventory within the warehouse through automation. The warehouses should be done into the automation, and this now is the case of the warehouse management system. We will study in the warehouse management system in detail, and creating a streamlined supply chain movement methodology for the customer satisfaction. Streamlined supply chain movement methodology. You can do project on the warehouse management system. In the warehouse picking strategy, you can do the many of the project and the research paper. These are the new area of the research and the pick. You can do the research there. I have published many of the research paper in these cases. The picking functionality in the warehouse management system is a core functionality designed to move the paper picking process to a wireless device. Warehouses come in different shapes and sizes. Some are wide open in a square-shaped space. Others are contained in building on multiple floors, utilizing elevators to transport materials. Warehouses will have varying ceiling heights. Some might have the yard spaces. Material handling will differ by the product shape and the sizes. As a result, the warehouses racking infrastructure will vary product size. Many warehouses keep large products in the bulk stacks or the pallet racks. While with the small products, picking efficiency may be increased by storing smaller products in flow racking or the static shelving. product velocity and other types also affect warehouse layout and subsequently the picking strategy. Company that ship single SKU pallets of product to the customers will have significantly different warehouse operation than one that ship tailor loads of the mixed SKU pallets. Even subtle differences in the customer requirement for the customer product, wholesalers will have substantial effect on the material handling and the picking operation. Operation that ship to the retail distribution center will have different fulfillment requirement than those that ship directly to stores. Everyone can probably agree that customer demand appear to only be increasing recently and that supply chain movement is becoming ever so complex. Warehouse management system have an evidence of picking styles that will accommodate a warehouse manager's fulfillment strategy independent of the warehouse layout, product size, velocity, and order characteristics. Different picking styles for different objectives. These are the here different picking styles from the warehouses. We have already studied of the different picking styles and their objectives. You can study in the summary here. Wave picking. The wave picking function allows a picker to gather multiple orders simultaneously on a pick run. Orders are picked directly into the serialized shipping cartoon. They are picked in the wave picking. The advantage of wave picking is that orders are picked and packed and checked in a single handling step using barcode scanners. Barcode scanners. Wave. This is used in the wave. And when the orders come the outside, the wave picking is used for the, in case of the big ships, they are picked in the wave. Wave picking is very effective for operation that pick to cart when there is an average of one or more to shipping cartoons per order. It is also effective for high volume operation that pick product out of flow racking to conveyor belts that whisk away boxes after they have been filled. Batch picking. There is a subtle difference between the batch picking and the wave picking. Subtle difference between the batch picking and the wave picking. Rather than picking multiple orders directly into the shipping cartoon, batch picking does not prompt picker to specify the sales order during the gathering process. The result is a batch of the product for multiple orders is gathered, and that sits in a staging area until distributed into the individual order pallets or cartoon for the shipment. The advantage of the batch picking, if the products are picked in the batches, is that the more product cube can be gathered in a single pass of the warehouse. However, warehouses need to ensure that they have enough space to stage the orders and that have been batch picked. Batch picking is effective for operation that will benefit for maximizing order consolidation, especially in larger warehouses where the amount of the trailing required to gather orders would be substantially decreased by maximizing the cube gathered in a single pass. Operation with limited picking equipment resources should consider batch picking to maximize equipment utilization. Cluster picking. Cluster picking is a workflow that can significantly reduce average travel time. If you pick in the clusters, if you pick the objects in the cluster, then it reduces the average travel time. With cluster picking, multiple orders are grouped into the small clusters or the waves. And order picker will pick all orders within the wave in one pass using a consolidated pick list. Usually, the picker will use multi-tiered picking cart maintaining a separate tote or cartoon on the cart of each order. Wave size usually run from 4 to 12 orders per wave depending on the average picks per order in the specific operation. In operation with the low picks per order, wave picking can greatly reduce the travel time by allowing the picker to make additional picks while in the same area. This is the advantage of the cluster picking. You can pick the objects in the multiple orders or clusters or the waves. Zone picking. Zone picking is the order picking version of the assembly line. In zone picking, the picking area is broken up into individual pick zones. Order pickers are assigned a specific zone and only pick items within that zone. This is known as the zone picking. And the warehouses are divided into the zones. And in zone picking, the picking area is broken up into the individual pick zones. Order pickers are assigned a specific zone and only pick items within that zone. This method divides up a size of bins so that individual pickers only work in a specified number of the cells. In zone picking, it is important to balance the number of the pick from zone to zone and maintain consistent flow. Zones are usually sized to accommodate enough picks for 1, 2 or more order pickers. Creating fast pick area close to the conveyors is essential in achieving high productivity in the zone picking. Zone picking is most effective in the large operation with the high total number of the SKU. High total numbers of the order and low to the moderate picks are ordered. Separate zones are also provided for the specialization of the picking technique, such as having automated material handling system in one zone and manual handling in the next. Sequential zone pick and pass. With sequential zone pick, one picker picks all the products in one area of the warehouse. This is the sequential zone pick and pass. Orders are moved from one zone to the next as a picking from the previous zone is completed. Conveyor system can be used to move orders from the zone or zone in a more manual process. The picker hands off the rest of the wave to the next picker in another area of the warehouse. Simultaneous zone picking. Pick and merge. With simultaneous zone pickers in the different area of the warehouse work on the same order at the same time. The cartoons are then consolidated and repacked downstream when zones have been completed. Simultaneous zone picking can prevent the problem of the slowdowns in the picking because of the hold up in a particular area or due to a bottleneck in the packing. The goal of the zone picking is to create greater speed in the picking process. In the case of the zone picking, if you divide in the zones, then the greater speed of the picking process can be done. Zone picking also allows specialization based on the skill level. Fork truck operators can be assigned to zone that exclusively houses large items that must be picked with a lift. Zone picking also has a potential positive impact on the employee morale by having pickers take pride and ownership in their area and can result in a less operator fatigue and the end of the shift due to reduced travel distances. Warehouse picking strategy objective. What are the different warehouse picking strategy objectives are there? Keep pickers pickling, not waiting. These are the objectives. Waiting area is not there. If someone is waiting, this means the efficiency is reduced. Keep a queue of the orders or products available to the picker. Queue of the orders. This is necessary. Queue of the orders are necessary or products available to the picker is necessary. This requires an effective replacement strategy if you are using a forward pick reverse storage layout. Keep pickers picking and not doing not pick tasks. Keep pickers picking. This is the objective. Do not bog pickers down with the other tasks such as a cartoon erection and taping, labeling, briefing, adding dunnage, etc. Pickers are typically your most skilled warehouse resources. Pickers of the items are the most skilled warehouse resources are there. Always keep pickers picking. This is the objective of the warehouse picking strategy. Minimize product touches. Product touches should be minimized. Ideally, it is a base design your pick process so that there is a sufficient accuracy at the time of the picking to eliminate the need for the subsequent checking and repacking. Each unit of the product is touched only by the picker's hands before the cartoon is sealed and transported to an outbound truck. These are the objectives are there. Minimize the travel. Travel distance you minimize. Distance minimize. This is the objective of the warehouse picking strategy. Pick from both sides of the aisle from the properly sized pick models. Unused space between the pick models and pick lanes can unnecessarily lengthen a pick path. Segregate slow movers from the fast moving SKU to avoid repetitive, unproductive travel past them when needed. Consider picking very slow moving SKU from reserve storage, then forward pick bins. Seek opportunity to batch picking many smaller orders in one trip. Pick all one line single piece orders together since no sorting is necessary to break them down into a discrete order level. Remember that the majority of the labor cost saving can be associated with the proper picking strategy, which can significantly minimize the pickers' travel time and therefore boosting the bottom line. These are the strategy for the warehouses picking strategy. We have studied about the different picking strategy, and these are the objectives. Keep pickers picking, keep pickers pickling, minimize product touches. These are the objectives are there. Minimize travel. Consider picking very slowly moving SKU. Remember that the majority of lower cost staffing can be associated with the proper packing strategy, which can significantly minimize the picker's travel time and therefore boosting the bottom line. Reducing the labor cost. Labor cost reduction is the major objective of the multinational company. Many of the company, Ford, Toyota, are going in this area, reducing the labor cost, automation of the plant. No labor is required. You go for the flexible manufacturing system of the Ford company. You go for the flexible manufacturing system of the Toyota company. Complete flexible automation system is there. Material handling is done on the conveyor belt from the one station to the another station, from the one floor to the another floor. And the picking and placing stage of the products are done with the help of the robotic arms are used for the picking and placing the objects, and complete flexible manufacturing systems are there in case of the many of the warehouses in the Singapore. You will find, and they are reducing the labor cost. It is worth to note the warehouse technology system are especially designed to coordinate the most efficient route for the inventory travel. By doing so, companies can recognize intangible benefits such as a better customer service perception through the increased order accuracy and the fewer returns. However, there is also a measurable tangible saving that you should be able to quantify, which is marked reduced labor cost figure gained through the better and more efficient movement of the inventory. Consider that administrative labor is reduced as the less time is spent correcting errors. Few errors and the timelier accurate information also mean fewer, more productive meetings for the managers and the executive. In general, automated data collection system will be used, lower the labor cost. If you use the automated data collection system, the labor cost will be reduced. And by reducing the overall setups, idle time, cost of the expediting, and the time spent correcting errors are reduced. Hence, the reducing the labor cost is the major strategy and the objectives of the many of the businessmen and many of the developed country warehouses. This is the reducing of the how the flexible manufacturing system can be integrated in the warehouses, how the automation of the warehouses can be done. This is the major objective and the strategy for improving the efficiency and saving the cost of the warehouses. Hence, we have studied about the accuracy and the efficiency and the warehouse picking strategy.